Hello my dear students, welcome to Computer Class 2 Lesson 5. Dear children, hope you all have studied the chapter and gone through the explanation that I have posted earlier. So let's start the question answer given on page number 51 related to this chapter, mouse and input device. Dear children, the first question is, fill in the blanks with the help of hint words given below. A mouse helps us to dash pictures on the computer screen. A mouse helps us to draw pictures on the computer screen. A mouse has dash buttons. A mouse has 2 buttons. To select an item, the mouse is pressed dash. To select an item, the mouse is pressed once. The surface on which the mouse is moved is called dash. The surface on which the mouse is moved is called mouse pad. Fifth one, the left mouse button is pressed dash for clicking. So the left mouse button is pressed twice for double clicking. Okay. Dear children, the answers I have displayed here, you also do it in your book neatly and properly, okay, with pencil, and the same write down and copy. Next question, B, write true or false. T for true and F for false. So dear children, first one, we cannot change the setting of a mouse, and the statement is false because we can change the setting of a mouse by flipping the right and left button of a mouse. Okay. Now, pressing the left mouse button twice is called double clicking, and the statement is true. So write T for it. Clicking the left mouse button once opens an item. The statement is false because double clicking the left mouse button opens an item. Write F. Clicking the right mouse button shows the list of commands, and the statement is true. Next, the arrow-like pointer on the monitor is known as mouse pointer, and the statement is true. Write T for it. Dear children, I have displayed the answers, so mark it properly in your book as well as write down properly and correctly in your copy. Now take a pencil and a scale to do the match to do the following. Question number C. Match the right pair by coloring it with the same color. Dear children, take a color pencil and you can color it in your book also, and as well as mark it with scale if you want. So as I have done here, okay. So drag is moving an item. Color it with yellow. Click, press the left mouse button. Color it with pink or purple. And you can also use scale to mark it. Pointer is an arrow. Color it with green. Double click. Press the left mouse button. Color the blue color. Color it with blue color. Okay. Press the left mouse button and draw a scale. You can put an arrow with the help of scale and pencil. Now right click is press the mouse button. Color it with pink. Dear children, you can also put an arrow mark with the help of pencil and scale, but do it nicely and properly in copy also. Okay. Now next question given on page number 50. Fill the boxes with suitable letters to make different words related to a mouse. Use the hints given below. Few hint words are given over here at the bottom, and in the center of your page, that is on page number 50, so you have to fill it accordingly as I have done this for you. So first one, write down mouse, then left button, mouse pad, top to bottom, left button from left to right, then drag from left to right, then again top to bottom click, then double from left to right and select from left to right, then come to the right side of the screen. Here pointer, pointer, top to bottom, and arrow arrow from left to right. Fill it properly in your book. Okay. Now dear children, learn the spellings. Do all true false fill-ups, multiple choice question, match the following, one word questions. Prepare well with the lessons that I have taught till now. See you in the next session with few more questions, some extra questions related to your chapters. Okay, stay fit, stay well. Thank you.